What? He said. He not solid gold? Is he not solid gold? Said the swallow to himself. He was too polite to make any personal remark. When the happy prince said that his heart was made up of metal, the swallow started wondering that if the heart was not made up of gold, though it did not say the same thing to the happy prince. Far away, continued the statue in a low musical voice. Far away, in a little street, there is a poor house. One of the window is open. Now the happy prince started describing the misery, the pain to the swallow. The happy prince said that one of the window of a house is opened, and through I can see that a woman seated at a table. Her face is thin and worn. Worn means tired. And she has coarse red hands, harsh red hands, all pricked by the needle. Pricked mean having holes due to the needles, because the woman is a seamstress. Seamstress is the woman who does the profession of sewing, जिसे आप दर्जी टेलर बोल सकते हो. Okay. All pricked up by a needle, for she is a seamstress. She is embroidering flowers on a satin gown for the loveliest of queens maid of honor. Actually, the seamstress was making a gown. She was doing the embroidery with the needle. She was preparing the gown of a queen to wear at a court ball. Ball mean party. The queen had to wear a gown in a party, and the woman was asked to prepare the gown for the queen. In a bed in the corner of the room, her little boy is lying ill. Actually, the seamstress son is really ill. He has a fever and is asking his mother to give him some oranges. His mother has nothing to give him. The mother was so poor that she could not fulfill the desire of her son. The son had fever and he wanted oranges. His mother was having nothing to give him but river water. The mother could give only water to the son. So he is crying, "Swallow, swallow, little swallow, will you not bring her the ruby out of my sword hilt?" So the happy prince wanted the swallow to be his messenger and asked him to take out the ruby from the sword and give it to the seamstress so that she could give, or she could buy medicine and oranges for the son. She could remove the poverty and misery. My feet are fastened. Fastened mean tied with this pedestal. Pedestal mean platform. The happy prince said that he could not go away because he was a statue and he was tied to the platform. But the swallow could fly. So the happy prince requested the swallow to take out the ruby from his sword and give it to the woman. "I am waited for in Egypt," the swallow said. It could not wait because it had to fly. It had to fly to Egypt. "My friends are waiting there, and they have reached near the Nile River, talking to large lotus. They have already reached there. They are enjoying with the flowers. Soon they will go to sleep. So I am also to fly away to the Egypt." The prince asked the swallow to stay with him for one night and be his messenger. The boy is so thirsty and the mother was so sad. So the happy prince wanted the swallow to help him so that the happy prince could help the seamstress who was suffering from poverty. "I don't think I like boys," answered the swallow. "I want to go to Egypt." So the swallow was not ready because it had to fly to the Egypt. But the happy prince looked so sad that the swallow agreed to stay with him for one night and be his messenger. "Thank you, little swallow." Finally, the swallow agreed. The swallow picked out the ruby from the prince's sword and flew away with it in its beak. It flew over the roofs of the town. The swallow passed by the church tower, by the white marble angel where they were sculpted. Sculpted mean the on a building, on a church tower there were some angels made. He passed by the palace of the queen and heard the sound of the dancing. A beautiful girl came out in the balcony with her lover. I hope my dress will be ready in time for the state party. I have ordered flowers to be embroidered on it. So the queen was discussing about her dress, and the swallow heard it. But the seamstress was so lazy. This is discussed by the queen. He passed over the river and saw the lanterns hanging on the mast of the ship. At last, the swallow came to the poor woman's house and looked in. The swallow was, or the boy was tossing feverishly. Feverishly means suffering with fever on his bed. And the mother had fallen asleep. The mother was really working hard. She was working really hard to prepare the queen's gown. So she was asleep while working on the gown. She was so tired. The swallow hopped and laid mean kept the ruby on the table near the women thimble. Thimble is like a metal, it's like a cap which is made up of metal, and it is worn on the thumb so that it will be protected from the needle. So the swallow kept the ruby near the women thimble. Then he flew gently round the bed, fanning the boy. Fanning means it like moved the wings like fans so that it could give the air to the boy's forehead. How cool I feel! How cool I feel, the boy said. I must be getting better. So the boy felt relaxed when the swallow moved his wings to fan the boy. Then he sank into a slumber. Slumber means the boy slept. The swallow flew back to the happy prince and told what he had done. It was strange, but I feel quite warm. The swallow said that after helping a woman, he was feeling quite warm inside. He was feeling really happy that he has helped a needy woman. This is because you have done a good action, the prince said. And the little swallow began to think, then fall asleep. Thinking always made him sleepy. So finally, the swallow worked as a messenger and helped the woman. Let's read tomorrow that what will happen further in the story. So you are supposed to read the pages up to 30.